Okay, I'm about to try a new technique. I did this one earlier. I did this one. You know, blue is my favorite color, so you know I had to get that one in. I got some more blues I'm gonna do on that. I'm gonna put that in something. I'm just practicing now on these little flat ones before I do the big ones. But I'm gonna try something new. I'm gonna try this old crate I had my hair stuff in because I want the holes. So instead of buying, I'm improvising. I got another one here. I'll try that one later. But I'm going to try this. I don't know if I want to try from this way to pour through the holes and then see how it comes out, or do it from the side because it's 3 rows there, but it's 8 there. So I'm going to try to do it this way, and I'm going to do red and white. All right, so it's already mixed. Okay. And there's the whites. We're going to get a little Shango in there. All right. A little Target color. And you need to, all right. So let's see here. And then we got our blow dryer. I got one of my old blow dryers. Of course, I'm not going to go buy one. Everybody uses the Remington. I may get one later. But I think for now, I'm just going to use this one because it did work earlier on that blue one. Improvise, honey, improvise. And I couldn't find the pyramid, so I got my little candlesticks under there, kind of raising it up so I can kind of go along the edge. I think that's it. I think I'm going to go, I think we're going to try to do every other. You know, every other maybe. We'll see. Or I could just kind of do it like that in there. I'm trying to see. Let's see how creative we can get. I want red and white. I don't want any other color. I just want red and white. Shango, boo boo. Now I gotta find somewhere to put it. Of course. Okay, y'all ready? Y'all ready? And we're gonna get the blow dry. That's 250. Okay, we're gonna set that right there, and we're gonna go for it. And I didn't use a base or anything. I'm more of an abstract painter. I always did love abstract, being a writer. I always did love abstract. So even when my mom's a painter, so even when my mom painted, I always did love abstract. don't think that's gonna. I need to get the torch still so I can get rid of the so I can get rid of the the torch, so I can get rid of the air bubbles. And I'm gonna put some, I think it's called resin, on it. I'm gonna coat it real good because I did not base the underneath it, so I'm just doing extra. Take this part down. And of course, that's my single playing. So now YouTube can't, they can't block it. Copyright playing because it's mine. Okay. For a deeper red, but that's, it'll do. I was aiming for like red and white. Oh wow. Yeah. I don't think this made a difference though. I could have just used anything there, to be honest with you. keep it like that. Love it. Ah! Okay. I'm not gonna do any more because I'll just keep going and it'll be yank. It'll be yank. And we don't want it. Yank. I don't like this red. It's not red enough, but hey. It said red, but I should have got cherry red or something. I wanted a little darker because with the white it made it look pink. And I'm gonna do a red and black one. SU. This is Shango. I want to put it in the car so it can heat dry, but I'm afraid it might. The other one's already curling up because it's so flat and I don't have nothing on the corners. And I left and had it sitting on these candles, and next I came back, it was, whoop. Oh my God. Look at this. I'm gonna have to go up a little bit so y'all can see. Look at that beauty. Oh my dear God. I love it. How about y'all? What do y'all think? My abstract. What? Beautiful. Beautiful. It looks like, I don't know, it just looks abstract. You can kind of gaze over here, see what you can find. I love abstract because it just, you never know what you're going to find when you look at it. I love abstract. Yes, I love it. Peace.